We're happy to introduce to you today our Renault Lcv Vision, based on three main strategic pillars. The first pillar is the strategic extension and renewal of our LCV lineup to answer to all professional expectations. Secondly, we will develop our offer in services and tailor-made solutions with our Pro Plus brand to answer to all professional usages. And our third pillar is the electrified offer with both electric and hydrogen power in a comprehensive proposal to meet the zero-emission transition for LCVs. Our ambition is to address all professional needs, and to do so, we will offer an enlarged and renewed range. We offer the choice through a complementary dual offer in small vans. The choice of going straight to the essential. This is the promise of the new Express van. Flexible, practical, and efficient. It brings everything the professional can need. The choice of being at the forefront of innovation. This is the promise of the all-new Kangoo van, with the open sesame, offering the largest side access. It paves the way to a completely new set of possibilities for business professionals. A truly disruptive door that shows once again Kangoo has been the leader in innovation since 1997. And tomorrow, professionals will face the challenge of energy transition. Our network will move from a tailor-made mobility solution provider to an energy transformation companion, moving from a transactional relationship to an advisory role. Our ambition is not only to provide products, zero-emission vehicles, but also to assist our customers in speeding up their own energy transition towards the sustainable mobility with dedicated services and charging solutions. To do this, we will deliver up-to-date electric LCV products and services. In terms of products, we've completed the renewal of our leading EV position in Europe with the all-new Kangoo van, E-Tech Electric, available with open sesame, able to cover a 265-kilometre range thanks to a new upgraded battery. And a new PC electric version of this all-new Kangoo will come. In terms of services, our charging solutions through our LXcent approach simplifies and optimises the charging of electric vehicle fleets. We enlarge our electrified offer with hydrogen LCV products and a comprehensive technology offer via our Plug Power relationship. In terms of products, as you may know, since 2014, we've been the pioneer of hydrogen with our first experiments such as the Kangoo ZE hydrogen. And we will come later this year with a master hydrogen. Thanks to our new offers and new services, we are opening new doors to new possibilities, paving the way for the mobility of tomorrow.